We're revisiting a retro dish today with Tim Bone. What are you making?
Justine, today I'm making a curried salmon rice slice.
Wow.
It is very 80s,
Yep.
but this is a bit of a nostalgic one for me. My stepdad used to make this for me when we were kids.
Yep.
And you know, when it's your birthday, you get to request a dish. I would always request this dish. There's just something about it, and I'm excited to cook it for you all today.
I'm really excited too because
Yeah.
I have never had it and I actually really like the sound of it.
And we were saying off air, this might be a good one for the kids as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. It's got, mild curry powder, mayonnaise, eggs. Let's get into it.
All right, let's do it. So first, we've got 3 cups of just cooked rice.
Yes.
It's still nice and warm.
Yep.
Can you please crack 1 egg into there for me?
Can do.
And I'm going to add a good pinch of salt.
Okay.
And a good crack of pepper.
So if you've got some leftover rice the night before.
It's a great way to use up some leftover rice.
Yeah.
And then here we've got just 50 grams of melted butter. That's going to go in as well. And this is going to be the base for our curried salmon rice slice. So if you could just give that a good mix around for me, just until everything's combined.
Yep. Very nice.
All right, that can go in.
There it goes, okay. There we go. And we've got some leftover basmati. You could use whatever you've got.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Now, it became a bit of a catchphrase of mine on Good Chef, Bad Chef, Justine, but I'm going to use the best tools in the kitchen, my mitts.
Go for it.
Just to give it a nice press down on the
Love
bottom.
it.
All right, Justine, our base is done.
Okay.
Let's get on to our filling now.
Yes.
So we've got a pot here just on a low, medium heat. I'm going to add some more butter, another 50 grams into the pot. So essentially we're making a bit of a roux, okay? And we're going to mix the curry powder with the flour so you get that curry infusion in our little sauce.
Yeah. And we touched on serving this to kids earlier in
Yeah.
the piece just to get them introduced to spices. Curry powder is the best. My little one doesn't love a lot of it, but when I add just a little bit, he really enjoys it. So slowly, I'm adding more and more.
That's right. All right, our butter has melted. The flour can go in. Then I'm going to put a couple of spoonfuls of our gorgeous curry powder. It's going to start to smell amazing in here.
Yep.
Thanking you. All right, we're just going to cook this out for a minute or so just to cook that flour raw flavour out. While I'm doing that, would you be able to grate some cheese?
Yes.
And we've also got some dill and some chives that are going to go in this as well. If you could chop them up, that would be amazing.
I'm onto it.
I love it. Now we're going to add in 300 mils of just thickened cream.
Right, so not milk,
Not
cream.
milk, I'm going for an extra luscious creamy sauce here. So the cream can go in the whole tub.
300 mils of it.
Love it. And a bit of a fan of this stuff, Justine, but Japanese mayo, kewpie.
Yep.
So we've got about half a cup of kewpie mayo can go in. Now all we want to do is just bring that together and just give it a stir for a couple of minutes until it's nice and thick and luscious and ready for the bake.
Too easy.
All right, Justine, look at this. This has taken no time at all. I'm going to turn that off now.
Okay.
You've got that beautiful sauce. What I want to do is we've got 2 tins of salmon here. Just tinned salmon. I love tinned salmon.
Me too.
Great and convenient. Okay, so that is just going to go straight onto our base.
And could you use tuna for this if you wanted to?
Yeah, curry tuna slice, absolutely.
Why not?
I love the flavour of salmon with this though, but tuna would absolutely work as well. So we'll just get all of that out. Then I've got this other egg here that I just want to crack into our sauce. That's just going to help to bind it together.
And that egg that you've added will set quite nicely, so it won't be sort of really runny at all.
Almost like a quiche.
Yes, exactly.
Love it. We can go in with those herbs now. That would be great. And we also want the juice of that lemon, Justine, if that's all right.
Yes, juice.
That would be fantastic.
Good squeeze.
Yeah, just a good squeeze. Now that one's quite juicy, so we might only need half, I reckon.
Absolutely.
Now this can just pour over the top.
Okay.
Have a look at that. All right, now we're going to spread that out.
Oh, she's going to be rich.
It's going to be
decadent.
rich. It's going to be decadent. It's going to be luscious. Now, the fun part. Oh, thank you. It smells great.
Smells really good. I love the dill and the chive combo with the curry.
Obviously, salmon and dill are best friends, so that's going to go really well together. Now, we need a good layer of our cheese on top. That's going to get nice and crispy and golden and bubbly, which is what you want. Justine, that's it.
Awesome.
Into the oven now,
Yep.
about 180 degrees, 20-25 minutes until that top is nice and golden and that rice is set on the bottom. This retro curried salmon slice has come out of the oven and I've just let it cool down a little bit, just because I find you get a nice slice if you let it cool down just that little bit. If you can wait.
Just like a lasagna. Just patience.
Let it relax for a little while.
Exactly, yeah.
So we'll just chop a little bit off here and just try and get a nice slab.
Smells good.
Pairs really well with a beautiful salad.
Yep.
This is the tough part, just trying to get underneath.
Ooh, fantastic.
There we go. We'll pop that on there. I mean, quick and easy for a midweek meal that the whole family's going to love, and introducing curry maybe into the kids' diet.
Absolutely.
Curried salmon slice.
I'm really interested to try this.
All right.
And I feel like this is going to be a super popular dish because it is economical, full of flavour. Well, actually, let me have a taste first, just to check.
Oh, okay. Hold that thought. But utilising that tinned salmon as well.
Yep, tinned salmon is...
Let's do it.
It's really, really good.
Takes me back to my childhood. Just those flavours. Cheesy, curry, rice, ticks all the boxes.
Ticks all the boxes. I love this. It's going to be popular, and that is going on my family menu next week because it's that good. Cheers.
Beautiful.